Okay, Uma? So we have started the practical workshop. This is the base from the assemble of engine. This assemble engine, this is for engine head rock arm cover. This rock arm cover is based from the engine head top. We are fixing like this. Okay? So this rock arm cover, you put in the holder at the top, we have to put in the oil only. So you remove the cap when the engine head for this is already dismantling. Okay, this is also dismantling. This dismantling of engine internally, this is the rock arm. This is the rock arm assembly. This rock arm assembly based from inlet and exhaust valve. So this type of base from the one, see, this is one inlet, one exhaust. One inlet, one exhaust. One inlet, one exhaust. One inlet, one exhaust. Okay, wow. So this identified which engine of this rock arm head, how to find out? This is a spark plug. So whether the spark plug is there in the rock arm in the engine of head is confirmation for the petrol engine. Whether if not there in the petrol spark plug, they are injected like this, they are put in diesel engine. This is the confirmation. If you don't know about for the engine head, I can't do it for the find out for the engine. This is only especially this is granted of petrol engine. Why? The reason about the spark plug, because of firing the internal engine for IC engine, internal combustion engine. This is the base from the spark plug. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this actually mounting in the engine head. With help of the rock arm assembly, we using with help of push rod. So the push rod where is located? You see, this is the engine head. The push rod like this, put inside. The rock arm like this, operating system like this. See? Wasting. That cotton waste general can do. Cotton waste. So see, the rock arm like this. Whether see this is the rock arm. This is the rock arm assembly. This rock arm actually with the help of the rock arm finger. The rock arm finger, one side is mounting push rod, another is one side is from the valve. See, like this operating in the internal. IC engine how is operating like this. Whether the engine is running, the rock arm is like this operating like this system. This operating method, the engine is running time, the valve one side, the push rod like this internally pushing. The end, one end is push rod, the other end is valve opening. 4 stroke, suppose suction stroke, the inlet valve open, exhaust valve closed. Other both valve are closed position. So exhaust stroke, exhaust valve open. So this rock arm like this operating, like this method, like this. See, the rock arm is like this, same like this operating. One end push rod, other end is valve operating mechanism. So these parts are internally based in the engine head. Okay. At the during time, spark plug internally to firing. So the spark plug like this in the side.
Firing due to the spark
plug. Okay. So that is the internal. After that, same the engine block. The crankshaft base. Take out the piston. Take out the piston. See, put the piston connecting rod. The crankshaft, so put all the piston, Put all the piston, slowly. So this is the 4-stroke, this is the 4-cylinder engine. This 4-cylinder engine, 4 cylinders, 4 piston with 4 connecting rods. So operating time, 4 cylinders, suction, compression, power, exhaust. Like this operating. During the valve timing diagram, what is the timing? Valve timing diagram. As per the firing order, 1, 3, 4, 2. That is the firing order. As per the firing, it will be internally using the spark will firing and combustion chamber, the internal, the air will comes and the fire will exploding. The burn gases was going outside with the help of exhaust manifold. Okay, that exhaust manifold, we take out all the burn gases will going out from the exhaust silencer. That is called from silencer. That is during the stroke was running, the cycle was repeated as per the engine. Okay, this is the petrol engine. This is the assemble engine for diesel. The diesel, especially for this side, this is the call from fuel injection pump. This fuel injection pump is connected to the injector. This is the same 4-cylinder, same firing order, but the system is all same. But the fuel is different entirely, diesel or petrol. That parts are entirely different. That parts of petrol engine is carburetor. This part of it is fuel injection pump. Okay. That fuel injection pump will connect to the injectors. Injector with fire, it will be spray the fuel for internal.
This is enough for status.
Okay.
Going to other level.
Yes. This is the assemble engine. This is the dismantle engine. So these are all the parts are internally. This is a type for this is this inlet manifold and exhaust manifold. So exhaust manifold, how we have to find out internal and exhaust manifold? The internal manifold, see, they are inlet manifold, they are putting in the air cleaner mounting area. Exhaust manifold, this is this band valve was going this side. So this side is exhaust manifold, this is inlet manifold. Okay. So internal manifold on the inlet manifold on the air filter account. That kind of inlet manifold air filter element like this. The air filter element. This is a core இருக்கும். இந்த கோர் உள்ள ஆயில ஊத்திட்டு ஃபில்டரை வெச்சிட்டு இன்லெட் manifold மேல ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டோம். எக்ஸாஸ்ட் manifold வழியா நாங்கள் வெளிய போய் கேஸ் சைலன்சர் வழியா வெளிய போகும். This is the system of engine. vehicle இப்படி தான் இருக்கும். Okay, cut.